In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Store with Local Account. If you want to download apps from the Microsoft Store without changing your Windows sign-in to a Microsoft account, this method is exactly what you need. The goal here is to keep your Windows login completely local and separate while still signing in to the store just for app access. Start by opening the Microsoft Store from your Windows Start menu. Once the store is open, look toward the top right corner of the window and click the User Profile icon. This is where account options for the store are managed. From the drop-down menu, click Sign In. At this point, Microsoft will ask what kind of account you want to use. Choose Microsoft account, then enter your email address and continue to the next screen. After that, type your password to sign in. Now, this is the most important part of the process, so pay close attention. After signing in, Windows may show a prompt asking if you want to use this account everywhere on your device. This is the step where many people accidentally switch their local Windows account into a Microsoft connected account. To avoid that, make sure you choose Microsoft Apps Only, or if that option appears differently on your version of Windows, select Skip for now. The key is to avoid confirming anything that applies the account across the whole device. Do not click Next or OK without reading the message carefully, because that can link your Windows login and defeat the purpose of keeping it local. Once you choose the option that limits the sign-in to Microsoft Apps Only, you'll be able to use the Microsoft Store while your main Windows account stays local and offline. That means you can install apps from the store without giving up the separation between your device login and your Microsoft account.